Hi everyone. We are going to discuss some important changes CRA has announced with regard to work from home for the upcoming tax season. So I'll be sharing some important tax information time to time for you to prepare for the upcoming season. Let's go to the point straight away. There were two methods of claiming the work from home expenses all this time. And one was the temporary flat rate method, and the other one was detailed method. Temporary method, there were no requirements of proof or any forms or any kind of additional information. You just need to give the number of days you work from home and you get $2 credit, deductible tax credit per day to a maximum of 250 days. This method has been stopped. It's not there for 2023 tax season. 2023 tax year, which we are going to face very soon. Like we are filing the 2023 taxes in 2024 first quarter, or rather up until April 30th is the deadline. So what I'm trying to say is, if you are working from home, you will have to prepare in advance if you are planning to claim this work from home expenses credit. Since there is no temporary flat rate method available, you have to go for the detailed method, which requires you to fulfill certain requirements. One of that is you have to get a form filled and signed by your employer that is called T2200 form. There were two forms before. CRA had T2200 and T2200S. S stands for short. This was also introduced during the COVID season. So CRA is doing some changes to this T2200 form, and they are expecting to publish the form by end of January. So we have about a week or 10 days. We are expecting a new form to be coming out. I will ask you to wait till you see the new form. Keep tune into my channel so that I will be sharing a short video with the new form if it's available. And with that form, you would be able to claim the work from home expenses. However, there's a catch, like there's another requirement rather. So if you have worked from home, it's just not merely work from home is gonna fulfill the requirement. It's going to be you should have worked more than 50% of your work should have been done from your home. I'll explain it in a simplistic way. Let's say you work 5 days a week and 3 days at home and 2 days at office. So which means out of your total 5 working days, 60% of your work is done at home. Then you may be eligible to this claim, and you are supposed to reach out to your employer and ask for this T2200 form completed by them, especially the work from home part. It's a long form, it's very detailed. So I will do a separate video on that, but keep yourself ready for that form. But most of it is self-explanatory. If you are working from home, you are claiming only the work from home expenses. And this requirement is a very catchy one, where 50% or more of your work for at least 4 consecutive weeks. What that does means, like if you have worked from home for 3 days a week and for at least for a month, 4 consecutive weeks, you can go and apply for this work from home credit, provided you have this form filled by your employer. Otherwise, CR is trying to, cut down the work from home expenses claims, which was so big in the previous few tax years. Like there were a lot of claims and a lot of tax deductions people were claiming. So the COVID pandemic, according to the Health Canada and other organizations, it's going away. And since it is going away, CRA is making some strict rules on work from home claims, and they were lenient on all these 3 years, 2020, 21, and 22. So slowly they are coming back to the normal routine where you will have to fulfill certain requirements to claim the work from home expenses. So to summarize the changes, the flat rate method is gone, so there's no flat rate method claim. T2200S form, there's no discussion about it yet, and there's a new form coming in, and you have to, you should have worked at least 50% of your main work from home to claim these expenses. Uh, if you have any questions, please comment. I will try to answer those, and stay tuned. I will share more information soon. Thank you.